Hello, and a warm welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your ultimate guide to nature's best solutions and treatments. Our mission here is to guide you through the world of natural remedies, showcasing the immense benefits of using products gifted to us by Mother Nature herself. By subscribing, liking, and sharing our content, you help us spread the word about these incredible nature-derived solutions. Today, we delve into a common issue, age spots, and how a simple kitchen ingredient can help combat them. Age spots, those little brown patches that appear on our skin as we age, can be quite bothersome. But did you know a common kitchen ingredient can help lighten them? The magic ingredient is none other than apple cider vinegar. This humble kitchen staple is rich in acetic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, and alpha-hydroxy acids that lighten dark spots. Plus, it's all natural, cost-effective, and easily accessible. Now, let's explore how to use this ingredient effectively. Using this kitchen ingredient for age spots is straightforward and requires minimal preparation. Let's start by unveiling the magic ingredient, apple cider vinegar. This versatile pantry staple is packed with acetic acid, known for its exfoliating properties, which help lighten age spots over time. The first step is preparation. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a bowl. This dilution is crucial to ensure the vinegar is not too harsh on your skin. Once your solution is ready, the next step is application. Using a cotton ball or pad, dab the diluted vinegar onto the age spots. Be gentle and make sure all the spots are thoroughly covered. If you have sensitive skin, it's wise to do a patch test on a small area first to check for any adverse reactions. After the application, let it sit on your skin for about 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to relax and let the vinegar do its magic. When the time is up, rinse off the solution with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and apply a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Consistency is key. Repeat this process daily for the best results. Patience is just as important. It may take a few weeks to see a noticeable difference, but trust me, it will be worth it. Remember, natural remedies take time, but the results are worth the wait. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Today, we uncovered the magic of a simple kitchen ingredient that can help diminish age spots. This readily available item, often overlooked, holds the secret to healthier, clearer skin. We walked through a step-by-step process on how to use this ingredient to get the best results. To refresh your memory first, you need to prepare the ingredient, apply it to your skin, and let it work its magic. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving the desired results. But the benefits of this ingredient go beyond just tackling age spots. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can contribute to your overall skin health. It can help to nourish your skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and rejuvenated. Plus, it's a cost-effective alternative to many commercial skincare products. Using this ingredient regularly can help you see a reduction in the appearance of age spots, and over time you might even notice an improvement in your skin's texture and tone. It's a natural remedy that's worth exploring if you're seeking a simple, effective solution to skin concerns. So, wave goodbye to age spots with this cheap and effective kitchen ingredient. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching Natural Lifestyle Remedies, where nature meets health and wellness.